So today we're gonna have the Motokura? Motokuto? I forgot what's the name of this place. So today we're gonna have the Motokura? Motokuto? I forgot what's the name of this place. Motomura? Right. Oh, hi. Hi, gozaimasu. Hi. Gozaimasu.
両面よく焼いてからお召し上がりください。
はい。
おかわりかまでサービスしております。
はい、gozaimasu. So you gotta cook the beef on that stone over there. So you cook that there. Dude, just to do it. So we're eating pizza now before watching fireworks. And then, I might have like almost finished sangria. Alright guys, so we're going to the Kitasenju fireworks, Adakawaku fireworks, and everyone is going the same way. Adachi, yeah, right. And we're all going towards there. Let's see if I flip it. You'll see everyone in the back of us. Lots of people. Apparently, we're gonna lose signal soon. So, but luckily, this is not. This camera doesn't require internet, but okay. All right, so we arrived to where we're supposed to be, and they blocked us from going in. So we're gonna have to turn around. Too much people. Where if I can zoom in?
We're actually just going this way.
And then there's people in the back. Okay, we're walking there. So there's like probably millions of people here actually. But we're getting to where the fireworks are showing at least. Oh, look at that. And then we're gonna get some
Our experience.
How was your experience?
It was like in our face, like it was going.
Oh, nice.
We were lying down. It was like,
Oh. And of course, people would be wearing their yukata here. Ooh, still nice. It's nice. Wow. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. changes colors too. So our plan is just gonna be walking the crowd, and then once we leave, we're just gonna go home. I think something like that. Did I just spill rain? Yeah. Wow, it's so dangerous. So dangerous. Yeah. Wow. I'm like sweating bullets. I don't know if you can see my sweat. It's really humid. Wow. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ooh. Just waiting for like now to just make sure we don't lose ourselves. Cool. So today we're going to Asakusa and there's a lot of people. The reason we're going to Asakusa is there's going to be a fireworks festival tonight. And so here, and it's super crowded. Let's try to find some non-crowded place. I'm waiting for my significant other and maybe I'll go stop by Crane Games just to just while I'm waiting. Gotta go through the back alley so that I don't get caught in the crowd. But maybe just for fun I can go check the crowd out. Nah, I don't feel like checking the crowd out at all. Alright. See you guys later. You know what? I'll just show you the crowd. It's very crowded. So we're looking for spots to go watch the fireworks. I think the fireworks are going to be around here somewhere. But people have been already kind of reserving their spots. and it's already like what, 5 hours before the fireworks. That's gonna be interesting. And I'm very hot, but it's getting really crowded. I didn't see the leg. Oh, now you see it like moving around. But where the fireworks should be coming from this way. Hopefully everyone's gonna sit down by that time. I missed it, but at 6 p.m. everyone ran to try and find a spot for the fireworks. It sucks, and one of the girls fell, but they people are like, but yeah, it's 6 p.m. now, so it's gonna start in about 1 hour. So we gambled 5 hours wait at this spot, and we don't see everything, but it's still pretty nice though. They explode somewhere around here, but yeah, we messed up. Well, YOLO. Okay, we couldn't get a good spot, but I guess this is the best I can do. I'll do like 30 seconds of this or something. I have to go to right underneath the net. Oh, I might be getting stuff I don't want to get. Whoa! Alright. Missed a bunch of it though. Nice. Oh, bad spot. So the walk home after fireworks is always going to be convoluted. It's never going to be straight, and you're going to be walking how do you call that? With a lot of turns to go home. But I guess it's still showing like the fireworks. I can here. I guess it's a better view than what we had. I guess. But I need to go home, so going home. The further I walk, the nicer it is actually. So I wasn't feeling well, and I decided to go home. And they blocked the way to go home, to walk home, and the metro, or at least the subway, goes to never ending. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm kind of lost. Yeah. So I walked back to the bridge that was closed, and now it's open. I wasted like what, 30 minutes? My legs are so tired. Hey, it was an adventure, I guess. Now we're going into the mass exodus of people. So let's see. Needless to say, probably never gonna do this again. And it's more crazy amount of people. We're getting herded, I guess. Regrets.